Tinutukoy na naaresto ng Philippine National Police Anti-Kidnapping Group ang mga foreign national na sangkot sa kasong kidnap for ransom na naganap noong July 1, 2025 sa Metro Manila.
Sa isinagawang press briefing sa Camp Crame, inihayag ni PNP Chief Police General Nicholas Torre III na nasakote ang mga sospek sa isang follow-up operation na isinagawa sa lalawigan ng Batangas.
Bukod sa pagkakaaresto sa mga dayuhang suspek, na-recover din sa kanila ang mga sasakyang ginamit sa krimen na posibleng magsilbing mahalagang ebidensya sa isinagawang investigasyon.
The Philippine National Police today is here to report the successful resolution of a kidnap ransom case involving a foreign national who was abducted under the pretense of a vehicle transaction. The incident took place last July 1, 2025 in Metro Manila, and based on our investigation, it became clear that the kidnapping was premeditated and carried out by an organized group composed of both foreign and local individuals. The victim, who was assisting a relative in a supposed car sale, met with the individuals who turned out to be the part of the kidnapping operation, and after gaining the victim's trust, they took control of the vehicle and demanded a large sum of money from the family in exchange for the victim's release. Once the incident was reported, the PNP immediately activated our anti-kidnapping action team and launched a coordinated effort with other law enforcement units. Over several days, we conducted surveillance, intelligence build-up, and interagency coordination. And on July 13, after days of negotiation and follow-up operations, our team successfully rescued the victim in Batangas and arrested several suspects. Follow-up pursuit operations led to the operation of more individuals in different locations, including Metro Manila and Cavite, and the recovery of multiple vehicles linked to the operation. We are currently preparing the appropriate charges against all those involved, and our initial assessment points to a highly organized group that may also be linked to other similar incidents in the past. This case serves as a strong reminder of the importance of immediate reporting, community cooperation, and sustained vigilance to those who continue to operate criminal enterprises in our country. Know that the PNP is fully committed to tracking you down and holding you accountable. To our law-abiding citizens and partners in the private sector, we thank you for your continued trust and support. The safety of our communities remains our top priority, and we will remain relentless in our mission to protect. Maliwanag ito na produkto ito ng early reporting. May cooperation ka agad ang biktima, though may mga negotiations na ginawa sila, pero eventually they trusted us and gave us the confidence and support, kaya nagawa namin ito na mahuli talaga itong 12 ang tao natin dito, 12, 6 na foreigners at 6 na Pilipino ang nahuli natin dito.